Welcome to Hunza Valley. Located in the Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan, the Hunza Valley is known for its stunning natural beauty. Nestled in the Himalayan mountains, the valley is surrounded by snow-capped peaks and crystal-clear streams. It's a true paradise on earth. The Hunza Valley is home to the Hunza people, who have a reputation for living long, healthy lives. Many attribute this to their diet, which is rich in fresh fruits and vegetables grown in the fertile soil of the valley. In addition to its natural beauty and healthy lifestyle, the Hunza Valley is also home to a number of